In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by launching recorder and clicking on red button at the bottom. Then hit OK, and as you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, tap on the same button. To add a bookmark, click on the bottom left one. To add a photo mark, on a bottom right one and take a pic. To discard it, select this X, and to add it, this check mark. Now, to get rid of your recording right away, hit cancel at the top left corner. And to end it and save it, save at the top right one. Then name it and hit save here. Now to play it, click on it. And to manage it, use all of those options and click on those three dots at the top right corner for more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!